So if you do these kinds of mistakes in IELTS reading answer sheet, definitely you are not going to get 5 or 5.5 plus bands, because see this, out of 13 questions how many you have wrong? 1 2 3 4 5 6 wrong answers are there out of 13 questions. See this. Okay, why these are answer? Although these all answers are correct, but why these are wrong? Because here, first of all, this is overwriting. They will not understand your words. So if you could have written these words in capital letter, then definitely it would be understandable, and no overwriting should be there. And what I have done here, or I have given, so I am not sure about rock or ash, whatever the answer is there. So you will write rock or ash. So examiner will select themselves. No, you have to give only one answer, otherwise your answer will be considered as wrong. Okay, so why these true false not given are wrong? Because in the question statement they were asked you yes, no, not given. See this, yes, no, not given. So here, and what you have written, true, false, true, false, false. So that's why all are wrong except not given, because not given is same in both true, false, not given and yes, no, not given. So don't do these IELTS reading mistakes. Don't overwrite your things, and always write all spellings, all answers in listening as well as in reading. Please, capital letter. Always write all answers in capital letter. Here, these also you can write in capital letter. And one more thing. Yes. Okay. Let's start this reading. So hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So here we will be doing this reading passage. This reading passage name is The Future Never Dies. This is reading passage number 2. Okay, so here you will get 3 types of question at least, and I will not be reading anything because I can understand this title name, The Future Never Dies. Okay, I will not be reading anything from here, any paragraph. So I will straight away look at the questions. So first type question is yes, no, not given, and second type of question we have here multiple choice question and complete the summary below. See this, complete the summary below with 2 words. So what question you are going to do, attempt first? Definitely I will do this yes, no, not given answers. Okay, so let's start it. How to do yes, no, not given? It's simple. It's like true, false, not given. There is not much difference, but don't worry about it when someone is saying that there is a lot of difference between true, false, not given and yes, no, not given. After all, we have to find whether it matches with the this statement matches with the information we have found it or not. Okay, and if yes, no, not given is important when writer or person's personal opinion are there, then you can just go through the person's name and all where they will be talking. But here no person name is there, so don't worry about it. So let's do this exercise, and you also do it with me, because that's why I'm bringing different IELTS reading passages here. So let's do it. I will show you everything on screen so that you can easily read it. It seems predictable that some species will disappear. So sometimes many students, they just comment me that my pronunciation is not good. That doesn't matter. Just focus on your IELTS reading practice only. Okay. So it seems predictable. So some species will disappear, and some prediction, some estimation is there that some species will disappear in future. Okay. So we will start reading it, finding these keywords in the first paragraph, because this is first type of question. I am not a native speaker actually, that's why, but that doesn't matter, because most of the non-native speaker also, they are also good in their accent, in English accent. Okay, so here this is my first A paragraph. Now just look at the keyword that we were finding it. See this. Here this is the paragraph. So wherever you will get any different kind of word, please underline the things for next type of question. They may help in next type of question. So predictable species disappear. So species, let's find this species word here. Million years. Species is here. Furthermore, our descendants could continue to enjoy the company of other species, establishing a much better relationship with other than we have. Other animals need not live in constant fear of us. Many of fellow these species now seem bound to become extinct. Yes, seem is also there. Many of those fellow species now seem bound to become extinct because a significant proportion could and should continue to live alongside. Okay, so establishing a much better, furthermore, could continue. But here from this line to this line, so we are getting this location. It seems predictable that some species will disappear. So yes, this is answer, yes or no, you decide it. I'm showing you question also, I'm showing you location also. Decide it and then write your answers in front of that. So should I write yes? Okay, or some students will write here true, so that will be wrong answer. Okay, so yes will come here. Now second question, the nature of the earth and human biology make it possible for human beings to survive another million years. Okay, the nature of earth and human biology make it impossible for human beings to survive another million. Now earth, human biology and million years. So let's find these three words. Now in B paragraph, try to match earth, biology, million years. Human beings is there, could deep trouble within the next few centuries, living, dying in large number of political terror, starvation, while large number of our fellow creatures would simply disappear, leaving only the ones that we find convenient. Okay, okay, these I am taking self-evident that glory is preferable. Okay, nothing is there in this paragraph. We are looking for these words, biology, million years also. So this is my C paragraph and I am looking for earth, human biology and million years. Earth is here, has its own rules, is part of the solar system, is neither stable nor safe. Other planets in the solar system are quite beyond habitation because temperature is relatively changes. No, nothing is there. Earth, human biology. So biology was in first paragraph at the end. Let's read it again. So first question, location was here and here I can see biology word is here. See this. Continue, significant proportion could and should continue to live alongside us. Such a future may seem ideal, so it is. Yet I do not believe it is fanciful. There is nothing in the physical fabric of the earth. Earth is there in our own biology, means human biology, make it impossible for human beings to survive another million years. To suggest that this is not possible. Okay, yet I do not believe it is fanciful. There is nothing in the physical fabric or in our biology to suggest that it is not possible. And here also we human beings could be in deep trouble within the next few centuries, living but also dying in large number. So here this statement should, because here they are saying significant proportion should continue to live alongside. Such a future may seem ideal, and so it is. Here it is saying this, so I do not believe it is fanciful. There is nothing in the physical fabric, means earth or in our own biology, to suggest that this is not possible. So here the nature of earth and human biology make it impossible for human beings to survive another. That is not possible too. So this is properly not matching. So I will just make it, because everything I have got, only make it impossible for human, because here he is saying I do not believe it is fanciful. There is nothing in this earth or on. So here I am just confused, but yes, later on we can just remove this confusion. Here I will just mark it false. So why again I am doing mistake, so no will come. Third, next number, an eruption by Yellowstone is likely to be more destructive than previous volcanic eruptions. Okay, let's find this 16th number, Yellowstone. So here in this B nothing was there, so in C and D we will just find Yellowstone word first. And here also see, if you read, our future is not entirely in our hands because the earth has its own rules, is part of the solar system and is neither stable nor innately safe. So here it make it impossible for human beings to survive another million years ago. So this is also saying false. Okay, so here we are looking for Yellowstone. Yellow, yes, it is. USA is there. Yellowstone. Yellowstone is not here. Climatic effects, civilization, USA is there. Volcanoes is here. Okay, Yellowstone I can't see over here. See next paragraph, we will just go to next paragraph. See this, they have made it volcano also. So volcanoes here, Yellowstone is here. Now location is here. Now let's find it. An eruption by Yellowstone is likely to be more destructive than previous volcanic eruptions. Okay, if the eruption is more destructive than the previous, then true, then yes. If it is less destructive, then no. And if they are not talking whether it is more destructive or less destructive than previous volcanic eruptions, then not given. Okay, so yet nothing we have so far experienced shows that volcanoes can really do. Yellowstone in the USA occupies the caldera collapse of an exceedingly ancient volcano of extraordinary magnitude. Modern surveys show that its center. So what the statement is saying, modern surveys show that its center is now rising. Sometimes in the next 200 million years, Yellowstone could erupt again, and when it does, the whole world will be transformed. Yellowstone could erupt tomorrow, but there is a good chance that it will give us another million years. So it is showing that it will be more destructive than previous volcanic eruption. So here, yes, we will just write it. Okay, so here make it same. If you are writing capital, then write it in capital. So it should not like that you are writing somewhere capital, you are writing somewhere in small caps. So next question is, there is a greater chance of the earth being hit by small asteroids than large ones. Okay, if there is a greater chance of the earth hit by small asteroids than large, then true, then yes. If there is a less chance of small asteroids than larger ones, then definitely it is no. And if they are not talking about any possibility of about small asteroids and then large, there is no comparison between that, then definitely not given will be there. So in this previous paragraph we have done, and nothing to find about small asteroids. So in next paragraph we can see the universe at large is dangerous. 2 in particular, we share the sky vast. Asteroids word is here, it means this is the location, this paragraph. Okay, so you can see this. I will just show you the full location. Now and again, then the come into our planet's atmosphere. Asteroid they are talking about. An asteroid the size of a small island hitting the earth at 15,000 kilometers an hour, a relatively modest speed by standard of these bodies, would strike the ocean bed like a rock in the puddle. Okay, like a rock in the puddle, send a tidal wave around the world as high as a small mountain and as fast as jumbo jet, last for centuries. Okay, greater chance of the earth. So chance is not there, and large asteroids they are not talking. So I will just write here not given. Okay, there is a greater chance of earth being hit by, so chance is not there. Asteroid the size of a small island hitting the earth. Now again and again they come into our planet's atmosphere, but no future kind of thing. And they are saying small island, asteroid the size of a small island. What it does, what it means, small or large. So nothing directly it is not given that there is a chance of the earth hit by a small asteroids than larger ones. No comparison is there. See this, you can read the full paragraph. This is the location, this is paragraph. Now next question, if the world becomes uninhabitable, it is most likely to be as a result of a natural disaster. If the world becomes inhabitable, it is most likely. So in every question they are asking most likely, greater chance, seem to be as a result of a natural disaster. Okay, natural disaster. So world becomes inhabitable. So there are plans to such disasters include rockets. So these words I have just underlined for next type of question. So next paragraph we can see this. On the other hand, the archaeological and fossil evidence show that no truly devastating asteroid had struck since the ones that seems to have accounted for the extinction of the dinosaur. So there seems no immediate reaction for disappear. The earth is indeed an uncertain place in an uncertain universe, but with average luck it should do well. If the world becomes inhospitable in the next few thousand or million years, then it will probably be our own fault. Yes, it is most likely to be as a result of natural disasters. But here what they are saying, because of our own fault. So here they are saying inhabitable, inhospitable in the next few thousand. If the world, see, same sentence structure is there, will because of our own fault. See this, we are looking for this question. So answer is no. Because of this, here because of natural disaster. Last question, politicians currently in power, so this is my keyword, currently in power seem unlikely to change their way of thinking. If they are likely to change their way, then definitely it will be no. And here they are saying unlikely to change their way of thinking. This is also a confusing word actually, unlikely, unword, when they are just putting it, uncommon word is also there, then there is a confusion. Okay, so let's find this politician word. So here in last paragraph, see this political system I can see here, and if they are likely to change their view, their behavior towards nature, then definitely no will be there. And here unlikely means not likely. Certain kinds of political systems and strategies. Okay, so let's read it. Given average luck on the geological and cosmic scale, the difference between glory and disaster will be made and is being made by politics. Certain kinds of political system and strategies would predispose us to long-term survival and indeed to comfort and security and pleasure of being alive, while others would take us more frenetically towards collapse. Okay, some will take us to the long survival and others will take us to the collapse, towards danger. The broad point is that we need to look at ourselves, humanity, great quite, our material problems are fundamentally those of biology. We need to think, and we need our politicians to think biologically. Do that and we need our politicians to think, do that and take the ideas seriously, and we are in with chance, ignore biology, and we and fellow creatures have a hope. So are they talking about they are unlikely to change their way of thinking? No, nothing is given about it, so that's why it is not given. So let's do another question. So multiple choice question. Okay, at the last we will be doing it. So first finish this, complete the summary below, no more than 2 words. So we can use 1 word and 2 words also. So let's read the statement. The earth could become inhabitable like other planets through a major change in the dash. Okay, volcanic eruptions, okay, asteroids. So initial starting paragraphs we will look upon. Inhabitable word, we know it where it was. So here the earth could become inhabitable like other planets. So planets, here they are talking in C paragraph, but not in that where we have got in another question. So the earth could become inhabitable like other planets. So other planet word is there through a major change. So change word, here I can see this. Okay, so let's read it. Inhabitable like other planets through a major change in the dash. So in the in the also this word also will take us to the location. So here change is given, so they are talking about planet here, earth here, and change is here, change in the atmosphere could do the trick. Okay, so major change in the atmosphere, is it coming up? So if you will match this also, then may be wrong answer. But the earth could become inhabitable like other planets through a major change in. So major change, they are talking about temperature is far too high or too low to be endured. Okay, so because now sometimes tips will not work, I'm telling you, because if you write atmosphere then it will be wrong. Temperature answer is there. The earth could become inhabitable like other planets through a major change. So here they have started talking about earth has its own rules like solar system. Other planets in the solar system are quite beyond inhabitable, word is also there. Okay, because their temperature is too high to be endured and ours too in principle. So here we will just write temperature. Okay, so that's why atmosphere will not come. Volcanic eruptions, next one is volcanic eruptions of dash can lead to shortage of in a wide area. Now let's find this volcanic in the next paragraph. This no, in fact same volcanic eruptions in the recent same paragraph, volcanic eruptions of dash can lead to shortage. Okay, so among the biggest volcanic eruption in recent memory was in USA, which threw out a cubic kilometers of ash. Okay, volcanic eruptions of ash should come here. See, this of is also given. So volcanic eruptions of. So here we can't put with this mount of, we can't put with of, and of USA can't come, which threw out a cubic kilometers of ash. We can just write here eruptions of ash. Of course, eruptions of ash would come. So can lead to shortage of. What can lead to shortage of? Now we have to find shortages of. Shortages of. Okay, so eruptions, ash is there. Fortunately, in an area where area is also there. See this, an asteroid hitting and area. Okay, fortunately in an area where very few people live, 1851 expelled so much ash into upper atmosphere that climate effect seriously harmed food production around the world for the season after season. Okay, so it means so food production harmed, so it means shortage can lead to shortages of food. Okay, next, asteroid hitting the earth could create a. Now we have to find the word asteroid. Now in E paragraph we can find this asteroid word, and we are looking asteroid hitting the earth could create a dash. Asteroid, now again and again the come into our planet's atmosphere. An asteroid the size of small island, hitting word is also there. The earth at this kilometer an hour. Hitting the earth could create a, what they can create. Hitting the earth at 15,000 kilometers an hour, a relatively modest speed of standard of heavenly bodies would strike the ocean bed like a rock. Create a dash. What it will create, that we have to send a tidal wave around the world as high as a small mountain. Earth could create a rock also, but rock is already there in a puddle. Send a tidal wave. So we can just write here tidal wave. So tidal wave we can just write here, because rock is already there, puddle is also there. What could create? So creating tidal wave. So waves are creating. Okay, that would result in a new. So that what will happen after creating this wave around the world as high as small mountain and fast as a jumbo jet, and propel us into an ice age. So we can just write here result in a new ice age. Okay, next one is plans are. Now plan are made to use to deflect asteroids heading for the earth. Okay, plans. So plan word is here. Are head such disasters including rockets to push approaching asteroids into new trajectory, but in truth it is down to luck. Okay, being made to use. Plans are being made to, what they are going to use it to head off such disaster including rockets to push asteroids into new trajectory. It means what they are going to use? Rockets. See this? Plans are head of such disaster including rockets to push. So it means they are planning to use rockets. So last question is left, multiple choice question. See this, multiple choice question, one question is there. So at the end, writer is asking you what is the purpose of in reading passage 2. So of course, to propose a new theory about the causes of, theory is not there. To prove that generally held beliefs about future are or mistaken, this is also not given. To present, so of course we can just read last paragraph and first paragraph again. To present a range of opinions currently held by scientists, this is also not explained. To argue the need for a general change in behavior, so this was explained in last paragraph, I will tell you. See this, to argue the need for a general change in behavior. To prove the point is though we need to look at the ourselves, humanity, and at the world in general in a quite new light. Our material problems are fundamentally those of biology. We need to think, okay, we need our politicians to think biological, do that and take the ideas seriously, and we are in with the chance. Okay, to argue the need for a general change in behavior, so we can select this.